So I'm just gonna go ahead and cover my eyebrows with a giant ass popsicle stick. And there's a piece of glitter and the glue stick, but yeah, I'm just laying down my eyebrow hairs, covering my dark eyebrows with some orange. And I really like these Wet n Wild palettes, by the way. They're very creamy, very blendable. You want to make sure that you set them, though. Set them with powders. And I like this one in particular because I feel like this is a really nice contour color for every day. So you can use these past Halloween, which is great. Let me get Powder of the Baby. A lot of you long-time listeners, first-time callers know that one. It's still a little orange, so I'm going to take some concealer over it. I do not know what Bowie's doing. There's like scratching noises in my kitchen, and I think it's him. It could be like a monster or something. I don't know. I'm going to try the new Urban Decay One and Done Ultimate Brush Off Powder. I'm sure this would be a better option than Powder of the Baby. I've been using these on set a lot lately, and I like them. They're pretty neat. I'm going to use that Wet n Wild palette again, the neutrals. Paint palette, I'm going to use the yellow from there. And apply that to my eyelid. That has primer on it already, by the way. It's already got primer, babes. So don't worry. Babes and dudes and babes and whatever you want to be called. I'm just getting this base down. I meant to do my foundation first, but I think I forgot. But yeah, yellow's coming in strong. Now we're going to do foundation, and I think I'm just going to stick with a skin tone. I probably normally would do like a white color, but I don't know. It's packed up in my kit, and I'm not feeling the need to rummage through my kit today. So we'll make it skin tone. I really love these Makeup Forever foundation sticks, the HD Ultra HD stick foundation, but the smell is kind of not that great. I'm not a fan of the smell. So I'm just going to use a slightly darker color on the outer portion of my face because it's kind of a way to contour as well. And I'm just going to use this beauty blender that's got powder all over it. And I'm not going to wet it because it's midnight. We'll do a little Smashbox concealer. This is my favorite concealer of the moment. Studio Skin Flawless. And it's not quite flawless because it doesn't cover me dark circles. But I like how it sits under the eye. Now we have to powder everything that we have touched with cream. Gonna pop into the Honey palette. Naked Honey, coming over for a play. And I'm going to just play with all of these beautiful golden warm shades. If you haven't seen it, dun, 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 dun. It's really nice. So the first color I'm going to use is Keeper. I'm just going to pop that here, pop that here. Like an exaggerated halo eye. It's Halloween, we can go a little crazier than we normally would with our eyeshadows. Hell, we don't have eyebrows at this point. Might as well do something fun. If you do want to see some Halloween tutorials, I have some that I've done with Pulp Riot, which is a hair company, like a hair dye company. They're really nice people, and they really celebrate artists. But we do like a series called Apply and Dye, where you can watch Casey do the hair and I do the makeup, and it's usually fun. We'll do characters. We'll do, you know, a little bit of everything. We've done some really cool ones this year. So if you want to check it out, I'll put a link down below. And also I've done a tutorial with Urban Decay, which is kind of why I'm doing this here. We did a honeybee kind of inspired look as well. And that's over on their YouTube channel, which I will also link. I'm going to take Drip now and further intensify the darkness around the eyes. So maybe just a little here. Just the outer corner of my eyelid, where we want some shadow and dimension. And use a smaller fluffy brush for that. For the drip. And then a little more on the inner corner of the eye. Blend it, blend it, blend it. I'm going to take Sweet, which is kind of a taupey warm matte, and just bring that down kind of the sides of my nose. I feel like that's a really nice contour color for me. It's time for a little honey, and I'm going to use my finger because it's super metallic. And I'm just going to stick that in the middle of the eyelid. Okay, that's really pretty. Okay, oh, that's really... Okay, let's do some eyeliner, because why not? The kind makes you fall in love, and our faces never seen. She is what this world is all. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara. It doesn't really do much help because I ripped out a ton of my lashes the other week and it was very painful. I'm hoping they'll come back. I don't know. It just hurt and boy did my eyes tear up. Anyway, I'm just going to apply mascara and some lashes. And we'll go with the Prevention Waterproof. The one that looks like little water droplets all over it. I think it's so cute. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, so I love packaging. Okay. It was really surreal to get to film with Urban Decay. Again, I filmed another Halloween tutorial with them years ago. And I pretty much thought, you know, my days of ever being approached by a brand were over. But I really gotta say thank you to Urban Decay for appreciating people who were over 35, you know. It really made my year in a lot of ways. That's one of the reasons I like them so much as a brand. I have met a lot of them in person and they're all rad people and genuine people and just love makeup. So I'm going to put a little bit of Keeper underneath my eyelids. It's just that warm yellowy golden honey tone. Just kind of smoke it out. I'm just sweeping Keeper out, diffusing it a little bit, kind of in rays. Now for highlighter, inner corner, you gotta have a highlighter. This is from Wet n Wild. It's in Moon Tears. It is discontinued, and they know that they're wrong for doing that. I'm gonna map out some eyebrows. I don't know what to do for eyebrows, so we're just gonna let my brush make that decision. And it's just like a brown eyeshadow onto an angled brush. I'm just gonna look in the mirror and be like, these. It's always this shape. It's always in my head, I swear. It's that Marlene Dietrich thing. And before I go over the brows permanently, I'm going to use that highlighter again from Wet n Wild and really pack it on. And now I'm going to go over the brows with my liquid liner again. I'm going to use the Artist Color Pencil from Makeup Forever in Endless Cacao. It's just a brown. I'm going to place a line underneath my lid. Just like that. And Bowie has entered the chat. He's in this room now. Yeah, he just sighed very heavily. He actually snuck out of my apartment today and tried to attack a dog twice his size. And I ran screaming, yelling, top of my lungs into the courtyard. It was quite embarrassing. He has that little dog syndrome where he thinks he is the bee's knees. He thinks he's Betty's spaghetti, but he is not. And I'm so lucky that that other dog was nice, because Bowie could have been very, very much injured. It's like those little heart attack moments to make sure you're still alive and awake. Oh, I hadn't had one of those in a while, so I guess he felt it was time. Now we're going to do lashes. I'm going to do 2 sets. First is kind of a fluffy, wispy set. And then on top of that, I'll do like the little spider leg ones. I can't ever find these. If you guys know where these are, tell me what they are. And then bottom lashes, these little dudes. For blush, I'm going to use the highlighting powder Mega Glow in Vampire Dreams. Oh, Vampy Dreams. Limited edition. I am in love with this so much. So hard. So beautiful. It's on this cheek already. Probably a little more than I would like, but that's okay. I'm gonna stamp it on. Gonna pat a little foundation on over top. Blend it down a little bit. I'm gonna take Swarm, pop it right there to connect the blush, and Keeper as well to connect the yellow down into the blush, and sweep it down the cheek a little bit like that, and to the temple too as well. Like marry those two together. Alright, highlighting time. It's the same discontinued Wet n Wild highlighter. Just look at that. It's enough to make me cry. That highlight is otherworldly. I'm just saying. Now I'm going to put this color cream on my neck. It's a gold color. I have not tried this on myself yet. We will see how it works. It is super gold. Wow, it is very pretty. It's very pretty. Okay, let's see how this applies to the neck. I mean, wow, it's beautiful. Can't really be too angry at how this is doing a pretty bang up job. I'm going to use a liquid lip, which is from Kat Von D. I have to hold it far apart because I can't see tiny writing with contacts in. Kind of like to start with Cupid's bow and then work outwards. And I try not to breathe the entire time. Who's the goldest of it all? Goldiestarling. That's who. I'm 100% that bee. Even when I'm pollinating. Yeah. This cream does not seem to set, so I'm going to put it on my eyebrows too. Oh no, I got some chunky texture from my brows, so I'm just going to make it look extra chunky with super metallic cream. So I'm going to take Dreamland, the glitter, and put it on top of my chunky eyebrow hairs. Because that's what drag queens do to hide texture. I added some little jewels right here. See them? So I'm just going to do that on the side. 1, 2, 3. Here we are. Final look. I feel really pretty and gold and like glittery and like luxurious. Gold is just that color for me. It always makes me feel very lush. But yeah, this is kind of like a honeybee / silent film star / metallic makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a lot of fun. And I want to wish you all a very happy and safe Halloween. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Enjoy your day. All of that stuff. And I guess that's it for me. So I'll see you later. Bye-bye.